How to send HD photos in WhatsApp iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send HD photos in WhatsApp on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send HD photos in WhatsApp on iPhone, the photo first of all must itself be in an HD format. So let's say I take a picture. If that picture is not in HD because maybe it is an image you downloaded from somewhere, you won't be able to send it. But if it is basically a picture that you sent it over there, you can simply come to this little chats icon here. You can simply go to that particular page, and all you have to do is simply select a certain image that you've selected here and just select that picture. Once you select that picture, if you look at the HD option from the top, you'll find HD toggle there, where you can simply set the quality from standard to HD, and then you can simply send them a picture, and then they will receive the picture in the HD format. This way you should be able to go ahead and then fix and send HD photos on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.